You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you will know that you are. Oh, you're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give it some to me? Leave it all. I just wanna see, and I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best
every school I like we still Irene, cause we no love likes in a dance hall. And every school I like we still Irene, cause we no love likes. We feel love and we feel likes. We feel love and we feel likes. Make them know success. when I tweet online. Slump on social media tight. Not like selling yes, you alright. I mean, I'm up and don't play. I mean, never say my live not so life. You miss a man, you have too much life. A man is still a leap behind. Success don't come overnight. But I know success overnight. We feel love and everything.
Watch out!
The school about them no like it, but we no response. The kill only know how to sing one song. Hear how them sound like them rehearsal. Rehearse and come back, get a better song. Say Mary, I watch how we style pangram. I told them know we are the body school band. Kalabar are the next name one. All them do a account the whole song. Simple me them no ready yet. And I know how to sing one song until they are war and I. They pretty and I know how to sing one song. Kalabar them a go on to I. Until I try to take up them style. Say everything them can try. But now I wanna do it for the hype. But we tell so we do it for the love, we not do it for the life. Another day already.
We feel love and everything.
A substance don't come overnight. I mean I know a substance overnight.
We feel love and everything.
Ha. Ho. Couple rubber man, couple start them. Couple rubber man, couple start them. Up in the street, we are got MJOP. We are going to say, wee! Give me it again. Yeah. Ha. Ho. Couple rubber man, couple start them. Couple rubber man, couple start them. Up in the street, we are just MJOP. We are gonna have a party tonight, you just watch. Tonight, me feel like spend some cash. Who are the bill, just match. If I give up, she who's the bill, first match. Who till who wants with a tough stuff. Good enough to carry together. We are not funny baby with a touch back. The bad stuff, we are Mr. Police. So, I know everybody shout. Yeah. Who till yo, we are what? And I shout. Yeah. Kuchilo, Chong, Tokayuman. ha. Oh. Up a rubber band, up a start.
Good afternoon, everybody. Come on, give them a round of applause again. For the first performance this evening, that was very, 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 very good. I commend you all. Everybody was in the performance, and I love that. The band now look good. Yeah, man, and a good man, and a good. Percussionist. Yeah, man, big up. My son run back. I wait for phone time, and I when I come out, and I shine. I love that. So keep it up, all right?
Ladies and gentlemen, come on, make some noise for Mr. Forrest. Mr. Stewart.
All right, Belair. So what you'll be hearing from the judges at this final, we gave you all the things that we would want you to bring to the final. And so you're not going to hear us say the things that are necessarily negative. What you will hear, because it's the final and because we advised you, we're going to highlight what we thought was good. Okay? So, we advised that Belair should bring a little more in your performance, give us a little more variety, and you did that. Pulling the drum solo was a good thing, right? Your guitar solo, sir, was another show of the skill in your band, okay? That's another good thing. The cool looking white with the shades is a good thing. The singers in your the African pattern is a good thing. The song choice, the opening song, as I was rocking away, the band was grooving, and so that was a good thing. Of course, you have your secret weapon. I want to commend her. Step forward, no man. And we definitely see a shining star in you, ma'am. Don't you agree? Yes. And so we want to thank you, Belair, for a great performance. Thank you, ma'am, when you opened with your singing. It was nice, also presented well. Thank you, sir, for your singing. You have a lovely voice. You should sing some more. You have a very good voice. Okay, great performance, Belair. You brought it. Thank you very much.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, and that was the judges' comments. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Please put your hands together with some round of applause and some noise for Raalak.
We ready. Fans, guests, contestants, we're ready. Put our enjoy on the same, put us say, Irie! Oh baby, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard, so no more count dollars, we become stars. I see my life like a swinging vine, swing my heart across the line. In my face these flashing signs, seek it out and you shall find. Old, but I'm not that old, young, but I'm not that bold. I don't think the world is cold, I'm just doing what we're told. And I feel something so wrong, doing the right thing. And I feel something so right, doing the wrong thing. I couldn't lie, everything that you will see, I just didn't have you and I, shine bright, tonight, you and I. Achievements the race, as I life, such shine light tonight. You and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Too wide, so wide. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody, come on, come on. Follow back on me. Simple thing, simple thing. All right. Elos, walk open. Waking up from ash and dust, I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals, I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prisoners. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa. I feel it in my bones to make my systems glow. So welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Radioactive, radioactive. I raise my flag, strap my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We're painted red and black to dress right in. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out of the prisoners. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa. I'm waking up, I feel it in my bones to make my systems flow. So welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, Radiohead too, Radiohead. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. Starting in my heart, reaching the visions, bringing me on the dark. The scars of your love, they me off, but I can't tell a feeling that we almost had it on. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't stop feeling like you kinda wish you that you never met me. Oh, you kinda wish you kinda wish you never met me. Kinda wish you. Get them up here. So I set fire to the rain. Watch it burn as I touch your face. Let it burn, and I cried and I heard you screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and afterwards into the flames. When the day something died and you that was the last time. I'm up. God, there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you said. They were never true all the games you played. You would always win. Come and pretty much them up again, cause them a side to you. And I never knew all the things you said. They were never true. And all the games you played, you would always win. So I set fire to the rain.
See ya! What are you ending there? Oh my word! Oh my word! Oh Lord! I am thinking, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Wonderful. Now we are going to hear from the judges here what the judges have to say now at this present moment. Mr. Stewart.
Kalabar. Radioactive. Okay. So, outfit. I say one. Including white shoes. I say one. Flag bearer. I say one. Song choice is out of the park. Overall, a very good performance. Overall. From the start to the finish. You brought it. You engaged us. Thank you.
Mr. Forrest.
One Kalabar.
Red Hills Road.
Yeah, big up to the town people then. Big up. From the start
To the finish.
to the finish, I commend all on you. Like, all on us make one step forward. One step forward.
Perfect.
That is it. Everybody. We can't have a single out nobody. They can't even single out nobody. Like, the musicians, them are actor, the musician, them are dancer, the singer, them are musician, everybody just great. You see that youth there? You see that lucky youth there? That you see that youth there? Yeah, the man angle himself. He have a corded mic and a cordless mic him have. And the man angle the corded mic like it's a cordless.
There we go.
You understand me? Big up Kalabar.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Kalabar. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. What do you say for Raalak? Out of the beautiful parish of St. Mary. Please put your hands together and let's make welcome on stage the St. Mary High School Dreams Band.
Ten stepper ahead of them, 10 stepper. Tell them we are Dreams Band original. Every day we are fight war spiritual. Hey, welcome Dreams, the winning band. Stepping at the war, make an entry. Winning me in the dream band, make a century. Loving our heart, we have the better sense. All of them just a pre-win in the city. When it's all quiet up to the deep and the secret is see clear, we not mix up. Look over evil, right for we heart. All of them afraid when the Gideon start. We are warrior, oh. Tell them we are warrior, oh. Full suit armor, sword in hand. Ready for the title, we are Dreams Band, we are warrior, oh. Tell them we are warrior, oh. They don't change, we gon' do something about it. Or rearrange, we gon' do something about it. Change, we gon' do something about it. And if you continue doing it, tell me I got to it. I'm telling them it's hard, them it's true, them it's cool now. Go for Belair and Bell them arwa. Go for Kalabar and bar them arwa. Go for Little and dim them arwa. Dreams well bad, but stop we arwa. Ha 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 ha. This is how we tell them say no, they better listen. We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. Never scared, never scared, never scared.
Good evening, everyone. We are the Dreams Band, and we'll be here singing some wonderful songs for you tonight, all right? This evening, right? Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Members only tonight. Let me see who goes now. Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't bring your checkbook. Bring your broken heart. Cause it's members only tonight. This is Joe. Got a thing going on.
both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong
to let it go right now.
We meet every day at the same cafe, 6:30, and I know you'll be there, holding hands, making all sort of plans, while the jukebox plays our favorite song.
Me, yeah.
Everybody put your hands in the air! Look at that! That's it!
Watch out now, tell me something. Listen to me. Me no know how me survive the hardship, but in a life never sweet like that. Ooh! Watch out now. Me no know how me survive the hardship, but in a life never sweet like a chocolate vanilla. Train line me no born in a villa. Little monkey, watch how you a talk to one with a car. The government buy arms with the killer. To party a flex like a party them. Hey, Johnny, talk to them, let me know what I want to. Uno, dos, tres, vámonos! Sing with it now, watch it. We jamming, I wanna jam in with you. We jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. Talk to them, my brother.
No rules say no fast, we can do it anyhow, and we will see it through. Cause every day we pay the price, the less sacrifice. Jamming.
Uncle Keys, give them something now.
Judges, let's hear what you have to say.
All right. Because of the outfit, there's a disclaimer. We're not promoting any violence, but what's a blank for St. Mary now?
Jesus, fix it. That's your principal, right? The vice principal. You see my promote violence down there?
Yeah, St. Mary, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Give them a round of applause. Question, are you the MD? You're the MD? MD put up, big up on, you know, them have 4 keyboard player and they never had an overplay or anything, it just balance. Not true, not true. Big up on yourself every time. Basic, I must commend you. You watch you know. You give a whip like you walk over this one, you come back over here, so, and you play this bag, you know? Big up yourself, drummy. Oh God. Clap it, drummer, man. Clap it, drummer, man. Yeah, man, I must commend you. Lead singer, male lead singer, big up. The interaction off the chain. Ladies. Big up on yourself. Hands player, we are here now, on a nice and balanced over the part there. Everybody, big up on yourself.
Mr. Stewart.
So, St. Mary, hi. I enjoyed you ladies. I felt that you conveyed such a happy atmosphere you exuded. Your smiles were infectious, so it felt like fun, right? I don't have your name, but simply the best.
Tina Turner.
Oh, is it Tina? Simply the best. Okay? Enjoyed it. So, we look at the army fatigue. The army fatigue said that you came to fight. And you brought your game. I saw where in every way you followed the judge's advice. In every way. In every way, you were told to work out a horn part for the horn section, make the horns have a prominent presentation. So I heard them playing horn lines, and that was good. The drummer. That little break you did was amazing. The drum break you made, the way you handled it, you can hardly see you behind the drum, you know. But we're hearing the drum. And so, loved it. Give him a round of applause. Bass player / saxophone. Kudos to you. Right? Who am I? I don't want to leave out anyone. Right? Sir, male singer. Is you? With the White Sox? Yeah, man. The White Sox. It's how I know you. The White Sox. And so you brought it. You entertained us. And so we come to the band leader. Every time I watch you play, I tell you, you're so gifted, sir. Every time I watch you play, I feel like I want to be a keyboard player. Right? Your arrangements in the intro, everything was so musical. I like the keyboard arrangements and everybody doing their part. I could hear who doing the kind of funk war keyboards versus the bubbling keyboards versus, it was musically very pleasing to me. You did good. St. Mary High. Thank you very much.
And there we go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Streets in St. Catherine, please put your hands together and let's make welcome. We came to the Technical High School. Street Tone Band.
Hardship we're in ya. Life never sweet like a chocolate vanilla. Born in a villa. Little monkey, watch how you attack. Pick up and make my arms get the killer. Party up is like a party them in a. Jump rock is a precious stone. Still it's far from my time and take it from my man. Keep spending most of our lives living in the ghetto paradise. Keep spending most of our lives living in the ghetto paradise. Keep spending most of our lives living in the ghetto paradise. Keep spending most of our lives living in the ghetto paradise. What's sweet till we run your teeth? Get to use your sleep. And then you talk about the make night. They say we're living in a paradise. I want to whistle like a Christmas breeze. And you better tell my boys and guys. Survivor, only no business. Jungle alive. Survivor, that is my weakness. Just before daylight. Keep spending most of our lives living in the ghetto paradise. Keep spending most of our lives living in the ghetto paradise. Anywhere you go, it's the same crime. Money worries, money worries. Anywhere you go, it's the same crime. Money worries, money worries. Bala bala bada bang 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 bang. Bala bala. What's the man? They follow me now. Check on the priority. Listen to my clarity. It's a reality. Your dream tricking it a day. I've used 21. So by 1 month for done, that comes about 11 grand. You a boss. You don't have the money. You don't think that kind of funny. All the guys and people up at church every week. Celebration and wake up to the church. And the pastor say, him don't have the money. And they think anyway, when I try to do them here, they pick you up because who they say here. And the boss say, they don't from the money. Anywhere you go, it's the same crime. Money worries, money worries. Anywhere you go, it's the same crime. Money worries, money worries. If you don't make money, then you don't make sense. If you don't make money, then you don't make sense. Watch out.
What do you know about sardine, mackerel, golden beef, chicken foot, chicken leg, chicken back? Not now, it's not now, that's
What?
money me a look away at it. Money me a look away at it.
What?
Money me a look away at it. Money me a look away at it.
Money me a look away at it. Money me a look away at it.
Money me a look away at it.
Money me a look away at it. Anywhere you go, it's the same crime. Money worries, money worries. Anywhere you go, it's the same crime. Money worries, money worries. Anywhere it's the same crime. Money worries, money worries. Anywhere you go, it's the same crime. Money worries, money worries.
JBSB, how you feeling? Let's get this. Give it up. Heading up home from
Morning, street Jackson, I'm a bomb.
Street rock and muffin thing.
Yeah,
Street rock and muffin thing. Come down now. Heading up home from
morning, street Jackson, I'm a bomb.
Street rock and muffin thing. Yeah. Street rock and muffin thing. She didn't know how to tell him she was in love with her husband. Hey, and I was burning.
That's what she was falling.
Do you love Natty Jim?
Come
Do
on,
you love Natty?
I wanna know.
Do you love?
Come
Do
on,
you love Natty? Edna,
I wanna know.
do you love Natty? Relax.
Come
Do
on,
you love Natty? Energy, energy. Do you love Natty? Come on, do you love Natty? Do you? End up with
morning. Hit the road, Russ, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Russ, and don't you come back no more. The outside Russian, head concussion. Alright then, them picking a body. I'll tell you them ready. When I need no glass fixing, them post ripe and too bad company. Some little bikini. Now take no talk a street road, a street life. Mama little princess, God, little ears of a roll. Mama little girl, I tell you, so she ready for the world. Walking out, she was a good girl, but now she gone bad. She was a good girl, but now she gone bad. Story of a good girl, gone bad. And we don't know what she have, driving the fucking mad. She goes so hard, if she impressive. The sharpest clothes that she always dressed. She loves to drink, she's into smoking, and ecstasy she's already doing. Harmony bun. What's if you a star in a bar? Mama little angel gone bad. Little princess broke out. Mama little bird, I tell me that Guess what? Let's run me out of the class, show me a beat already.
Just a little music I want to
Yes.
Show me be where they make.
You want me to show you beats?
Ah,
You
come.
sure? You sure you want me to show you? Ready?
Man, I beat a bad girl. Bound. I am so nice. I am so nice. I am so nice. I am so nice. I am so nice.
Wait, are you so nice?
Are you so nice? Are you so nice? Are you so nice?
Are you so?
Already?
Get a new class, daddy. Which color that body the body?
I think alone of the silent daddy. The queen of England, the love of yardy. Straight jeans, got a foot pants. Everybody have the ass, some of them a class. Everybody have the ass, some of them a class. This way it's up. Toothbrush, get out of the sun. Everybody have the ass, some of them a class. Everybody have the ass. Hold on. Yo, what a party I look so. Yo, what a party I look so. JBSP, still I'm gonna look so. What you said to me? Pull up. Sound a bounce and the place a pull up. So we bad and them can't get it up. Shoot and jump and hear that we love. A man this so we step in at the club. Select to turn it up in at the soul. Music a bounce and lyrics by the tone. And we bad it's sent from above. We tell them. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. And the man is direct. Mash up the place, push your hand up for this. Now we now miss number one panelist. You gonna pay the crowd, can't resist. Watch out for this. And the man is direct. Mash up the place, push your hand up for this. Now we now miss number one panelist. Watch out for this.
All right. Dental Tech. Let's go with the outfit first. Very coordinated with the band. Very coordinated with the performers, the singers up front. And so, I could rely on your good vocals. You delivered. I could rely on the musicality. You delivered. I could rely on the feeling of all the group. You conveyed your togetherness. You're the band and the front, the people in front. It's one and the same. There was togetherness. And so I think you're giving me a hard time.
Ladies and gentlemen, come on, put your hands together for the comment of Mr. Stewart. One maroon. There we go, Mr. Forrest.
Yes, I am having a hard time as well. I have a headache, I swear. Because, I tell you. All right, hear the thing now. I can't get the comment. Ross, I can't take off that, brother. Put on back it like no man. Rasta. I'm not lie you. The singers them I feel like that they are all together sing. Like them have that tone that them good. I'm not lie you. Uno can sing. And the band give me some sort of professionalism. Yeah, man. You see Uno? You see all the bass writers, yeah, man. You're up on a stage, you can't feel alone because Yeah. Dintil, big up on yourself. Una give you a warm time. Una give you a warm time now, and that is actually good. That is actually good. Big up.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, make it one more time, loud and clear.
One! Now take it off for me, take it off for me, take it off for me. Now can I have some more of myself in the monitors, please, before we go any further? Can I have some more of myself in the monitors? Can I hear myself, Mr. Engineer? A little bit more up. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Ah, that's it right there. Now, JBSB, how we feeling? Would it feel good? So, this is the introduction a while ago. So, my name is Janiel Mills, and a couple years ago, I was on the same stage, repping for my high school, my alma mater, St. Andrew Technical High School, and I believe that in the first year, we won the competition. And Jamaica have whole heap of talent, a lot of creative, right? And I'm a living proof. And tonight, I'm going to show you how far me I come from. I'm going to take you back to the journey, all right? Let's go! Oh, 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 oh. Listen, hey, I was drawn into myself, observing all this time. From every angle that I see, my people you meet in hell. The brothers have turned to crime, so they die from time to time. We'd like to ask you leaders, what have you got in mind? But I see the fire spreading, it's getting hotter and hot. The haves will wanna be in the shoes of the have-not. And if the sign is on your door, then you will be safe for sure. But if you are in pretense, you're on the wrong side of the fence. Oh, oh, oh. Fire burning, the fire burning, burning, burning. Feel the fire burning, the fire burning, burning, burning. Feel the fire burning, the fire burning, burning, burning. Feel the fire burning. Now this is a very interactive moment. Hey, now everybody say yeah, oh. Say yeah, oh. Alright, now am I really hearing your words? And if you don't sing with me, no man, sure, just like I dreamed it would be. I feel like we're frozen in time. Hey, and you're the only one I can see. Now everybody sing along, say hey, I've looked all my life for you, and now you're here, say hey, I've spent all my life with you, all my life. Now take it all over for me, JBSP, let me hear you say hey, I've looked all my life for you, and now you're here, say hey, I've spent all my life with you, all my life. Let me hear you make some noise. All the people rapping for Kalabar, let me hear you make some noise. Let me hear all the Dintil fans make some noise. Anybody in there rapping for Belair? How about St. Mary? Alright. Now this is my recent original, well, second recent original. And it's called Holding Strong. Anybody in here believe in a God? If you believe in a God, mama see you put up your hand. Hey! Down low. And if you know you can sing along with me, right? Hey, Jack, give me melody to sing my song, and give me the courage in this life to stay strong. Me holding on, holding strong. Me holding on, me holding strong. The dirty tough one, there's a raging storm. No bad stress to make you hold the calm. Holding on, holding strong. Holding on. JBS, listen. Hey, love one like the message where I come from my lips. Word unto the wise, I make you listen my script. Jah will never leave me when problems are grieve me. Keep on believing what your blessing you receive is just the fire that burns within me. I thought they brought to sweet a victory. It's my desire that Jah will bless me. So lay your message on my heart and words upon my lips to say. Jah give me the melody to sing my song. And give me the courage in this life to stay strong. Be holding on. Me holding on, holding strong. The dirty tough one is a raging storm. No bad stress to make you hold the calm. Holding on, holding on. Now JBS, listen, hey, better believe than to repeat. The same mistakes in the streets, I feel believe in yourself. Great things I'm sure you'll achieve. Your feet up be firm, be follow your dreams. Oh gosh, we know it honest. Give praises to the Father. Yesterday I was weak, but I am strong today. Love now have the courage, so they run away from the pressures of this life, but I will find a way. Hey, just give me melody to sing my song, and give me the courage in this life to stay strong. Holding on, holding strong. Holding on, holding strong. The dirty tough one is a raging storm. No bad stress to make you hold the calm. Holding on. No, JBSB, I think that this is a very interactive moment. I want you to sing with me, is that okay? Mr. Engineer, can I get a little bit more voice, please? Can you turn me up right here at the stage, man, so I can hear myself? Bring it up a little bit. So I'm gonna sing a couple lines for you. And then I'm gonna ask you to sing after me. You ready? Yeah. If you're ready, mommy, you wanna make some noise, the man. Alright, so I got something like this. Hey, say, Jah give me melody fi sing my song. You say, one more time. Jah give me melody fi sing my song. Your time. The song good enough, say, holding on, holding strong. You say, one more time, holding on, holding strong. So good. Just down low, whoa, whoa. Oh. Just down low, whoa, whoa. Oh. So I'm gonna sing some song, and I'm gonna test you guys and see if you know this song, alright? Forever, I will love you. Forever, I will be true. Forever, I'll always be. On the right? So sing now, man. And every morning I'll be here. On the right? Never gonna let you down. Hold on. So I'm asking you if you know the song. And then you know the song and then you not sing. So you ready again? From the never gonna let you down part. So after the 1, 2. Sing now. Now see if you know that one. Listen again. Sorry is all that you can. Sure. This song goodie. Like sorry, like can say, sure, baby, can I hold you tonight? Maybe if I told you the right words, you'd be mine. Since I'm coming home, but my body's been a mess, and I miss your nappy hair and the way you like to dress. Now won't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Johnny? JBSP, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. My name is Johnny Mills. Love you.
One time. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise to Janelle Mills. Come on, I can't hear you. Make some noise to Janelle Mills. There we go. Just on this stage, she performed in Jamaica Best School Band. And now look at her. She is a true experience of what Jamaica Best School Band can do for you. Is St. Mary High School in the building? There we go, wonderful. How about Belair High School? One time for Belair. Let's talk about Dental Technical High School. There we go. Who am I missing? How about Kalabar? Man with the best image. Best image. You can go ahead. Man with the best image, ladies and gentlemen. Dental Technical High School. Most outstanding performer female. It's a courtesy of Home Time Cable, and Raven will be presenting this trophy. Please make welcome on stage, or to the stage, the front of stage, Belair High School, Tajana Gordon. How you feel? Miss Gordon, how you feel? Tajana? You're good? Irie. And it's the most outstanding performer male. Who do you think that is? Talk to me, the man. No. Ladies and gentlemen, out of Kalabar High School, Khalil. On behalf of Jacob, ladies and gentlemen, presented by Mr. Stewart, the best original song. Ladies and gentlemen, who you think it is? A Kalabar? A St. Mary? A Dintil? A Belair? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Alphonsus Davis High School. Mr. Simpson, you will collect on their behalf. The most improved band. The most improved band, ladies and gentlemen, started from scratch, and they, if I'm bottom maybe, but they came back with a better performance every time they take the stage. Who do you think that is? Eh? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Belair High School. The most improved band. Good song. Go ahead, gentlemen, for third place for Jamaica Best School Band Season 11, 2024. Talk to me. Talk to me, no man. Listen. For third place, ladies and gentlemen, Jamaica Best School Band, season 11. Please make way for way. Like a fire. Power manage. Kalabar High School! You guys did a wonderful, fabulous job. Watching you on social media, seeing your performances, exceptional growth. Thank you for being a part of this competition. Wonderful. Come on, make some noise at Kalabar High School, ladies and gentlemen. Kalabar High School. Your turn again, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, for fourth place winner. Fourth place. Yes, they're all winners. Make some noise in the winner there. What are you talking about? They're all winners in their own way, in their own talent. Never let anything limit you. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Belair High School. You've done a wonderful job, Belair. Thank you. First place winner, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and let's make welcome